are looking for an LED solar lights for your fence, your walkway, or like a staircase, check this out. They are solar powered, so you can install them anywhere without worrying if there's an electric outlet nearby. Here are a box of 8 outdoor solar fence lights that was sent to me by Bright Ever. This is white and the other one is RGB white. This has like 8 solar fence lights. This is the solar panel and these are the lights. Comes with like 8 of this. So you have 2 options in terms of anchoring this onto the fence, either to use the screws and the butterflies that were provided or to like use the double-sided tape. I'm using the double-sided tape for now to see if it works. If it doesn't, then I'll move on to the like screws. So far I installed 2 already. This is just like faster way to install. Have to count now. I have like 15 plank gap, so I count like 1, 2, 3. It can fully charge within 6 to 8 hours and will illuminate at night for up to 10 hours. There are 3 color temperature options: cozy warm white, soft neutral white, and bright cool white. These solar fence lights feature up-to-date technology which enhances the brightness and decorative appeal. If you have a fence and don't have a fence light like this yet, check this product out.